Hi guys, welcome back to Brookman Rider for another video. Today is a very exciting day. Today's the new bike reveal. Now this has been about 8 years in the making, so very long time, and I'm super excited to show you this. Let's go have a look. Guys, welcome back for a very exciting video. Now this is 7 years in the making. I have been on and off my learner restricted license for a long time now. Finally the day has come. I have received my new bike, and as you probably can already tell, it is the Speed Triple RS. Now this is pretty much the first impressions video. I have never been on this bike before, never ridden a 1000cc bike before. So this is brand new. Absolutely first impressions. I'll give you a quick little walk around right now. Just fine neutral. Give you a quick walk around. So this is a 2019 model Speed Triple RS 1050 engine. I believe this is actually a 2018 colour. This is actually a 2019 model. This bike's got a few little options already. It's got heated grips. It's got the tail tidy done. It's got the genuine LED indicators through Triumph, frame sliders. What else? Oh, little trinkets on the wheel here. But yeah, it's also got little bits and pieces from Triumph up here as well. So yeah guys, this is really exciting, and I'm so stoked to do this first ride for you and get this content out there. Like I said, it's been a long time and I'm super excited. What else can I tell you about this bike? Obviously if you watch my other videos, I was deciding whether to go this or an MT-09 or KTM, the new 890. But at the end of the day I ended up going with this bike. I just love everything that comes standard on. I love the arrows, although I'm going to be changing them pretty shortly. You'll see that video. Hasn't got the quick shifter yet, but I'm going to be ordering that very soon. There's another video for that, so stay tuned guys. But I just love the little, the detail on this bike, like the carbon. I think it just looks, oh yeah, it's also got the better mirrors as well. The original ones are a bit plasticky, but these are nice metal ones. So yeah guys, all right, let's get on. It's only going to be a quick first impressions. I'm going to do a full review in the next coming weeks. So yeah guys, first ride and first impression. Holy hell, this is amazing. Wow. Yeah, a bit speechless just jumping on it, to be honest. It's got a lot of power. Wow. I'm a little bit lost for words actually. This is super exciting. Super exciting, guys. Yep, okay. This is crazy. Wow. Let me just get used to this first, guys. Wow, okay. Sorry, this video is going to suck because I am just lost for words a little bit. Clutch feels really good, really light. The bike actually feels really... oh god, I didn't realise I need to turn around here. The bike feels really light actually when you're riding it. It is a little bit you know, heavier than its rivals, but yeah, definitely when you're on the bike it doesn't feel heavy at all. Really smooth engine. I just love triples. They've got the best sound, I think. And just the engine is so smooth, it's so comfortable to ride. Yeah, geez guys, hard to know where to start. I'm just a little bit overwhelmed at the moment. Yeah, the power, I'm never going to get bored of this. Yeah, wow. Awesome power, guys. This is obviously the first time I've ever been on a 1000cc bike, and I can tell you, coming from the restricted world of licenses, this is yeah, this is a massive difference. Just the amount of torque in every gear. What a bike, what an engine. I don't know if you can see, but the dash, it's a bit of a sunny day today, but hopefully you can see it. The dash, I really love the LCD dash out of these bikes. I think they're yeah, absolutely fantastic, really useful. Gearbox feels really good, even without the quick shifter at the moment. But yeah, that's definitely going to be on order, and I'll be getting that video out to you soon. Handles beautifully, absolutely. The O-lins in this bike just feels like you're floating. Really nice. So yeah guys, I just want to do a really quick first impressions. I know you know, this isn't going to be the full review just yet, guys, so stay tuned for the full review. That's going to be in the coming weeks. Yeah, I just love the howl in these bikes. I think even with this exhaust, I think it's you know, more than enough. But yeah, I'll be pretty excited when I get the new exhaust coming for this bike. Oh, what an engine! It just feels so planted as well. Just the way the bike handles, it moves around. It just feels great. You know, really easy bike to ride as well. Like, feel hard at all to ride. Just feels so clickable. It's yeah, and the seating position, I'm 5 foot, about 5'8", 5'9", and yeah, the seating position doesn't feel intimidating at all. Bike doesn't feel, you know, I can flat foot on both sides. Yeah, what a bike. Mirrors are good on this now. It's got the smaller mirrors. You can see pretty well out of them. Yeah guys, this has been a long time coming. I'm so excited to give you this content and this review on this bike. Oh, handles so nice. Oh, I don't know if you can hear it, but the pops and crackles, even with this exhaust, really nice. Brakes are fantastic, Brembos. Just the torque in this bike is just unbelievable. I mean, I had the restricted Street Triple, the 660 here in Australia. And that was a fantastic bike as well, and that had lots of power, but getting on this is just another world. I haven't even gone on, he's still in just road mode, but yeah, it's more than enough. Oh, alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the full review video in the next couple of weeks. Thanks for watching guys, and have a great weekend.